Okay. Hello guys, I have nothing to do with my life, so I'm gonna play a Will You Press the Button. Okay, well, depends on what the answer is, but I'm gonna use it before an hour. That's kinda dumb, like, boop. That was a pretty good one. Your blood holds the cure to cancer, but you'll be asked to sacrifice your life in order for the cure to be created. Well, going with the whole, if you had a life after it, then I guess yes. Okay. Speak every language, but only as long as you aren't in the country where the language is. Well, this makes no sense. I won't. What's the point of that? That's good. You have no, I don't want to. That's dumb. What if I use my wealth to destroy it? You will have photographic memory, but you can't remember but you. If you're gonna have serious questions, if you have a serious question, you might as well spell you right. No. Good. You can go to every concert, but you can't see. Oh no, oops. I meant to press no, because if I can't see, then tomorrow will be pleasant. No. Good. That's really... You lose your sense of sight, but your other senses are heightened. I really want the sense to... I love seeing, okay guys? Just let me have my eyes. And just... Wait, so that would mean I would be Daredevil. Oh, you get 10... Well, I'm talking about the last question. Get $10 million every year, but you can only use dial-up internet.